Good morning. Iniwan ako ni Dan. He had to go somewhere for work really early. I think gumising siya mga 6:30. And then he had to leave. So, ano na, I think it's already 9. I'm still here. Kasi, may sock! Yung ano ko, medyas ko natanggal. And ayoko bumangon kasi ang lamig-lamig. Wala akong medyas. Dito sa ilalim. Yung suot ko kasi yung maliit na medyas, yung very short. And silang dalawa talaga natanggal. And feel ko siya sa... okay. Here's one. One. Where's another one? Ang lamig-lamig. Every time na minumove ko yung paa ko, ang lamig-lamig. Wala talagang medyas. I'm gonna wear this one. And then, babangon ako, have coffee. We got a new kettle kasi nasira yung kettle namin. Yan yung noise na sinasabi ko sa inyo guys on my last vlog. Yun yung ginagawa ni Dan. Ganon. Tapos akala ko, woohoo. Like kapag nasa kitchen ako, parang it sounds like batang nag-ano, woohoo. Ganon. Anyway, I can't find the other sock. Okay, I'll get up. Nagpunta kami ng Kmart kagabi kasi we got kettle. So, we got a new one. Ito. Yung binili ni Dan noon, yun yung pinakamura. $7 lang yun, guys. And it lasted him, sabi niya, mga 3 years daw. And ito yung parang next level ng $7 because this one is only 15. Meron naman dun ng mga mahal, kaya lang ayoko yung gray or yung ganyang kulay. Yung parang aluminum ba yung tawag dyan. Gusto ko white. And ito lang yung white, yung $15 lang. So, ito siya. It's easy. Book. You know what happened? Yesterday, I started at 10:50 ng umaga. Tapos si Dan, he had to go early. So, I had to take the bus. So, ako lang mag-isa dito. I took a shower. Inon ko yung tubig, guys. Sobrang lamig. As in, sobrang lamig talaga. Parang hindi talaga kaya maligo, guys. Parang naliligo ng ice talaga. Tinawagan ko si Dan. Sabi ko, bakit ang lamig ng tubig? Just to check if ganun din sa kanya. Tapos sabi niya, okay naman kanina. Nag-work naman. I-check mo yung power sa labas. So, chinek ko yung sa labas. And yung power namin, nakaano lang siya. Siya lang yung iba, kasi yung iba like nakataas lahat ng switch, tapos siya lang yung down. Tapos kapag tinataas ko siya, bumabalik siya, hindi siya nagsistay taas. Tapos sabi niya, tatawagan ko si Pete, yung stepdad niya. So tinawagan niya, tapos sabi niya, baka daw sa isa sa mga appliances namin. And the kettle, naka-on siya dun. Tapos sabi ni Dan, i-off mo na lang yung kettle. So in-off ko siya, tapos pagbalik ko sa labas, na-switch ko na siya. Nakakaloka. Tapos bumalik na yung tubig, nag-warp na yung tubig. Sa kettle lang pala siya, tapos naapektuhan lahat. Like, hindi talaga siya nag-work. I'm not sure how that works, really. Siguro kapag meron kang faulty na appliance, tapos, inon mo siya, parang nag-off yung power mo just for safety, I think. Parang ganun yun. Pero now, alam ko na kung anong gagawin next time. Guys, i-assemble ko lang yung chair na nabili ko sa Kmart. Kasi ang tagal na nito. Na-feature ko pa to sa previous vlog ko. Pero hindi ko pa siya na-touch kasi wala nga akong time talaga. But I got this. This is from the kids section. Ganyan yung chair niya. And I really like it. Ilalagay ko siya sa makeup room ko. Gusto ko lang siya tanggalin dito sa box because I will use the box to put the stuff that I got for my fambam, yung mga binibili ko sa Kmart. And bumili na naman ako last night. So, meron na namang nadagdag. And, yeah, kailangan ko lang sila ilagay sa box para hindi magulo tingnan. Oh my gosh, that was scary. So, kailangan ko na itong tanggalin dito. Kasi mag-accumulate lang yung mga damit, yung mga hats. I got 2 hats yesterday. So we have this. Perfect. Kasyang-kasya sa puwet ko yung yan. Nice. I like it kasi it's white. And, madali lang pala to. Ito na. Okay. Tapos pa ganyan. Wala, meron siyang crack. Is that alright? Meron siyang crack dito. Can you guys see? Yan, oh.
In my life where everything was wrong, something's finally went right. Two less lonely people in the world tonight.
Naglilinis ako guys while listening to my fan Air Supply. Ganda ng kanta na to. Get back. Magkukulot ako ng buhok. Ikukulot ko yung buhok ko gamit yung pangkulot na ito. Yung pink. Ito. Kasi wala lang. Gusto ko lang magkulot ng buhok. Hindi ko pa na-try na ikulot yung buhok ko. Yung agtang ko. Hindi ko pa na-try na ikulot yung buhok ko na ganito yung kulay. So, we'll see. I am the one. Ito yung gamit ko na heat protectant. Hades Heat Styles Heat Protection Spray. Galing sa brand na yan na hindi ko mabasa. Oh! Last time na kinulot ko yung buhok ko, yung last time na nakita niyo sa vlog, yun lang. Hindi ko na siya kinulot ulit. Oh, actually, I think kinulot ko siya ulit, pero hindi ko nagustuhan. So, I think niligo ko yung buhok ko para hindi makita yung kulot. Yun yung ginawa ko. Maganda tong pagkulot na to. Hello, uy, bakit ako red tingnan? Why? Oh, why? Bakit siya? Blinking talaga siya dyan sa camera, pero hindi siya nagbi-blink sa personal. Di ko alam kung bakit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tinay ko siya dito kasi medyo hindi ganun kaganda yung nangyayari dito. So, binan ko na lang siya ng slide. And that's it. We will film the video. Ang weird. Laki ng ano ko, noo ko. Parang hindi bagay sa akin to, ah. Laki ng noo ko, ah. Tingnan natin. Ulitin natin. Guys, hindi ko pala na-delete yung vlog. Yung merong sabi niyo multo na sedan. Tapos kitang-kita dito na sedan talaga. It's so funny. I'll show you. So, yan, diba? Tignan nyo dyan sa part na yan. Iyan ko siya very slow. Like, per... See? Ulo na yan. Dadaan siya. Ulo niya yan. Dadaan siya. Tenga. Ulo. Lakad siya ng lakad dito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit naglumakad siya doon, diba? Tapos babalik na naman yan. Nakaano lang kasi siya. Wait. See? Lumakad. Ngayon. Balik na naman. Balik na balik. Meron pa. Marami pa dito. Hindi ko yan na-include yung ano na yan eh. Kasi daan ng daan si Dan. So, napuputol ko. So, pinutol ko na lang yung ano. See? Daan. Tapos, parang may sinabi ata siya sa akin. Tapos, dumaan na naman ulit. Yun. Daan ng daan. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Tapos, daan. Labas. Oh. Yun na yun. What are you doing?
Nothing. Waiting for football.
He said he will do the windmill. He will, what do you call that? You will lift me upside down and do the windmill. Sige na, babe. I'll film us. Do the windmill. If you're strong, then you can do it. Let's do it.
You have to go, yeah.
Padi-di, pambuang. Okay, ready? Hello, my babe. Johnny. Johnny boy. It always falls if you do this. Don't touch my badge again. Windmill. Wait!
Windmill. There you go.
Was that the windmill? That was just halfway. The windmill's supposed to go zoom, not like zoom. Zoom. That's not windmill. That's weak meal. Weak. Ito yung suot ko. I will wear my jacket as well. This is the scarf that his mom's best friend gave me. Binigyan niya sa akin because one day I wasn't wearing a scarf and then she said, "You don't have one?" And then I think Dan was just like joking. Yeah, she doesn't have one. We don't have money. We're broke. Something like that. I think he did that.
We're broke.
And then she gave me one. I already have one. Ito? No, that's not mine. But we will have Devenda use this for now. Because Devenda will be with us. A Sri Lankan. Watch.
A Filipino and Australian.
A Sri Lankan, Filipino, and Australian watch Australian football. Okay. Oh, it's nice like this, babe. Or maybe like that. Ooh, I look so wintry.
You do.
Tapos
Do you want
magsusot
your
pa.
beanie, babe?
No, I don't need beanie.
Okay.
Because I have this. Yeah, I did bring my gloves. See, I'm gonna be warm enough. And then I have this as well. My tummy. Hello. Okay. Do you want to wear this?
No.
Okay. I thought you liked this.
I do, but not really. It's a girl scarf.
Hello, babe. The camera dies like really quickly now.
Because you're probably killing the battery. No, well, you got a couple batteries. You can sort it out.
Yeah, I have another one here. It should be on the screen. I posted something. You guys will be there as well.
Yeah, we had dinner on like 3 and put my friend's house.
Are we there? No.
I had like alcohol left out. So I was like, I just thought it was
Did you write something?
Yeah. We are Port Adelaide and Cafe Pacific Power. I don't think we are here. Oh, that's cute.
And it is almost time for the Port Adelaide Best and Fairest Awards. This date is on Friday, the 6th of October at 7 o'clock, and there's sure to be plenty of glitz and glamour, so get in early.
You know, you do when we're singing the song,
Yeah.
take the videotape.
Yeah. With the scarf?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
People at the stage would go, what?
I know, what are they doing? Have a shower. I'll just close it real quick. We're home. Hello, babe. We need a rug in here. I washed it.
Okay.
Can you get it, please?
Not now.
Well, if you're taking a shower, we need a rug.
Still wet.
What?
Probably still wet.
No! An extra rug that we have, the pink one. The black one that is now pink because I don't know how you wash that one. I'll close the vlog, guys. We won. It was a really good game as well. And my kulot is still kulot. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this hair bukas. Hindi ko siya iwawash. Hindi ko siya iwawash bukas. We'll see. Sana mag-stay siyang ganito. Okay lang sa akin to. Anyway, that's it for this vlog. Tatanggalin ko lang tong makeup ko and then mag-edit siguro ako and then matutulog na. Oh, I'm wearing different earring pala today. I got this from JJ's. 3 pairs, iba-iba, $1. So, I'm wearing the heart one. Yung mga earrings ko, disposable sila. So, kapag sinubad ko sila, wala na, tinatapon ko na. Kasi nagiging tsaka. Mga mura lang din naman kasi, so okay lang. Anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to Bye. Good night.